Safety advocates are fighting for better standards when it comes to the kind of seats installed in your car. Despite industry standards, different seats can mean different outcomes, even death in a serious crash. KITV's Sarah Navoy investigates.
I remember leaving my daughter's house.
A drive home.
Traveling down 59 South.
Is all she remembers. The rest.
The impact.
She learned later.
I went across 2 medians, and then the back of my car seat collapsed.
And the final outcome after being struck from behind.
C6, C7.
Christine Watson discovered on her own.
I was paralyzed from here down.
Wheels now act as a permanent reminder of that night.
I felt like when it happened, I didn't have nothing to live for because I couldn't do anything for myself.
What Watson didn't understand is why her driver's seat collapsed behind her, snapping her spine.
It's just not safe.
It is an abomination. There's no excuse for it.
Rob Ammons represents Christine. She's one of dozens of his clients in the last 20 years severely injured or killed because of the car seats that collapsed. Some of the injured are children, crushed by the seat back while strapped into a car seat.
All of these are preventable injuries. They're needless injuries. And part of the reason why is because the standard is so poor and so inadequate.
So inadequate, Ammons says, that even a lawn chair meets federal safety standards.
Our legislature has passed a law that says if you meet a standard, no matter how bad the standard is, the vehicle is presumed safe.
For each case he's handled, Ammons simulates his client's accident. Here, a safe seat is installed alongside one he believes to be dangerous. When the car is rear-ended, one seat snaps back and the dummy's head hits the rear seats. The other has a crossbar built into the seat, allowing for more resistance. Both seats meet industry standards.
A change needs to happen now so that 10 years from now, we're not looking at folks like Christine Watson that have been needlessly hurt by this defect.
The Center for Auto Safety is trying to make that change, petitioning the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to at the very least make parents aware of the dangers of front seat collapses. The problem isn't a new one. Safety advocates have been fighting for higher safety standards since 1967. But Ammons said automakers have always fought back. In Watson's case, both sides reached a settlement, but she says no money can give her back her freedom.
It's taken all of my livelihood. I'm just not starting to get some of that back.
Sarah Navoy, KITV News.
The Center for Auto Safety included a list of lawsuits regarding these types of front seat collapse crashes, including the make and model of the cars involved. A lot of popular cars are on that list. You can see the list on our website, KITV.com.